Class 10th subject Geography, Social Science. Topic is Lifelines of Economy. The development of a country depends upon the production of goods and services as well as their movement to the destination. Transport plays an important role in the economy. Movement of these goods and services can be over three important domains of our earth, that is land, water and air. Children, in this chapter you will see how modern means of transport and communication serve as lifelines of our nation and its modern economy. Means of transport. As you can see in the given figure is the flow chart of means of transport. That is land, water, air. Under land is roadways, railways and pipelines, and under water is inland and overseas. Under air is domestic airways, international airways, and under domestic airways are public undertaking and private airlines. Transport plays a vital role in economy. Raw material reach to the factory or industry and finished goods reach to the consumer. Transport is important for both production and distribution of goods. Children, with the development in science and technology, the area of influence of trade and transport expanded far and wide. Transport, roadways. India has one of the largest road networks in the world. Roadways have preceded railways. Construction cost of roads is much lower than that of railways lines. Children, road transport is also used as a feeder to other modes of transport, such as they provide a link between railway stations, air and seaports. In India, roads are classified in the following 6 classes according to their capacity. As you can see in the figure, roadways are classified into golden, quadrilateral, national highways, state highways, district roads, other roads, and the last is border roads. Golden quadrilateral super highways. The major objective of these super highways is to reduce the time and distance between the mega cities of India. These highways projects are implemented by the National Highway Authority of India, that is NHAI. In the given figure you can see the image of golden quadrilateral super highway, and in the next image you can see the map of India, and the super highways of quadrilateral are connected to Mumbai, Maharashtra, Chennai, Tamil Nadu, Kolkata, West Bengal, and then New Delhi, that is in Delhi. Next comes national highways. National highways link extreme parts of the country. These are the primary road systems and are led and maintained by the Central Public Networks Departments, that is CPWD. State highways. Roads linking a state capital with different district headquarters are known as state highways. These roads are constructed and maintained by the State Public Works Departments, that is PWD, in state and union territories. District road. These roads connect the district headquarters with other places of district. These roads are maintained by the Zilla Parishad. Other roads. Rural roads, which link rural areas and villages with towns, are classified under this category. These roads received special impetus under the Pradhan Mantri Gramin Sadak Yojana. Border roads. Border roads organization is under Government of India, undertaking construction and maintains roads in the bordering area of the country. In the given figure you can see the image of border road. This organization was established in 1960 for the development of the roads of strategic importance in the northern and northeastern border areas. These roads have improved accessibility in areas of different terrain and have helped in the economic development of these areas. The next comes road density. The length of road per 100 square meter of area is known as density of roads. Distribution of road is not uniform in the country. Children, road transport in India faces a number of problems. Keeping in view the volume of traffic and passengers, the road network is inadequate. About half of the roads are unmetalled, and this limits their usage during the rainy season. The national highways are inadequate too. The roadways are highly congested in cities and most of the bridges and are old and narrow. In the given figure, you can see states with lowest road density and the state with highest road density. This information belongs to Infrastructure Statistics 2014 report. Railways are the principal mode of transport for freight and passengers in India. It has been an important means of transport. Besides this, in India, railways have been a great integrating force for more than 150 years. The Indian railway network runs on multiple gauge operations extending over 66,687 km. And in the given figure is by Railway Net Yearbook 2015-16 Ministry of Railways Government of India. In the given figure you can observe is the map of India railway network. Pipelines. Pipeline transport network is a new arrival on the transportation map in India. In the past, these were used to transport water to cities and industries. Now these are used to transport crude oil, petroleum products and natural gas from oil and natural gas fields to refineries, fertilizers factories and big thermal power plants. Let's study about the disadvantage of pipeline. Being slow, inflexible, only carrying large volumes of certain types of fluid, huge initial investment of building dedicated pipelines. And the advantages of pipelines are moving large quantities over long distances, cheapest way of moving liquids, for example oil and gas. Local networks can add flexibility by delivering to a wide range of locations. Next comes waterways. Waterways are the cheapest means of transport. They are most suitable for carrying heavy and bulky goods. It is a fuel efficient and environment friendly mode of transport. In the given figure you can see the images of waterways transport. Major seaports with a long coastline of 7,516.6 km, India is dotted with 12 major and 200 notified non-majors minors intermediate port. These major ports handle 95% of India's foreign trade. In the given figure you can see the images of seaports in India. In the given figure you can see the map of India with some major ports. Airways. The air travel today is the fastest, most comfortable and prestigious mode of transport. It can cover very difficult terrains like high mountains, dreary deserts, dense forests and also long oceanic stretches with great ease. Think of the northeastern part of the country marked with the presence of big rivers, dissected relief, dense forest and frequent floods and international frontiers, etc. In the absence of air transport, air travel has made access easier. In the given figure, here are some images of air transport vehicles. Next comes communication. Communication refers to exchange of ideas, messages, emotions, either written or oral, from one place to other. The Indian postal network handles parcels, letters, cards, envelopes, packets, registered newspapers and periodicals which are carried by land, air or water transports. Mail channels have been introduced by Indian Postal Network for quick delivery of mails in large towns and cities. India is one of the largest telephone networks in Asia. Mass communication provides entertainment and creates awareness among people about various national programs and policies. It includes radio, television, newspaper, magazines, books and films. India publishes a large number of newspaper and periodical annually. The largest numbers of newspapers published in the country are in Hindi, followed by English and Urdu. India is the largest producer of feature films in the world. It produces short films, video features, and video short films. The Central Board of the Film Certification is the authority to certify both Indian and foreign films. The given figure are the images of modern communication of today's world, and basic communications means are letters, telephone, radio, television, mobile and newspaper. And under modern communications are social media, organic traffic, that is SEO, paid traffic, affiliates, backlinks, forum directories, blogs, etc. Modern communication, social media plays a very vital role, and search engine is a Google. International trade. The exchange of goods among people, states and countries is referred to as trade. The market is the place where such exchange take place. Trade between two countries is called international trade. It takes place through sea, air or land routes, while local trade is carried in cities, towns and villages. State level trade is carried between two or more states. Advancement of international trade of a country is an index to its economic prosperity. Trade is considered the economic barometer for a country. Let's see in the given figure about international trade. It consists of cost, freight, tariff, outsourcing, globalization, exchange rate, insurance, and laws and rules and regulations. Let's study about tourism as a trade. Tourism in India has grown substantially over the decades. Tourism also promotes national integration, provides support to local handicrafts and culture pursuits. It also helps in development of international understanding about our culture and heritage. Foreign tourists visit India for heritage tourism, ecotourism, adventure tourism, culture tourism, medical tourism and business tourism. Types of tourism in India are nature tourism, heritage culture tourism, wildlife tourism, adventure tourism, pilgrimage tourism, and medical tourism.